My name is Ela Gonzalez, and I live in Richfield, Minnesota. And when we started looking for a company to changing our roof, with my husband, we started looking at a company who has a person who speaks our language, what is Spanish language. We want all the details about how they can change in the quality, the colors. Finally, we called Viking contractors, and they sending us a guy who the name is Rigo, and he came and he talked to us about all the details about the roof, color. He really making us comfort. And finally, we decide to make the deal with Viking contractors. I know if you're looking for a place or a company who really do a great job, I will recommend the Viking contractor 100%. They do a great job, clean job. All the people who coming over and do our roofs, they are nice people, and you really will be feel 100% satisfied with all the work they do.